Hey my love, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing video. But before I get into that, if you're not subscribed to me, I don't know what you're doing. You need to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I'm going to start. This is going to be my November BOXYCHARM unboxing, and I actually did October and I forgot to upload it. So if you want me to still upload it, I'll upload it down below, and I'll use some of the products from the old box just in case you want to hear my thoughts and opinions about October's box. So let's just get straight into video. I actually got the box just now and I have no makeup on, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go through the products and then I'm gonna do like my first impressions and put everything I can on my face. So I just got the box, and look at this box. It's so like crumpled up. I feel like BOXYCHARM to put it in like a different kind of box so it doesn't get messed up by the post office. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. So let's see what's in here. They give you a pamphlet on everything inside the box, and they have this nice beautiful picture of Nikita Dragon. If you don't know Nikita Dragon, you gotta follow her. She's amazing. So I'm gonna leave that here. So the first thing I see in my box is one of these sample things that I hate, and this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. So I think this is a freebie in the box. It doesn't really cost anything, but if you would like to try out this foundation, there is the sample test. So the first thing I see is these brushes, and these are the BOXYCHARM 2-piece brush set, and these retail for $35. $35 is a lot of money. But here are the two brushes, and they're like those kind of those oval brushes from that specific brand that I can't think of, but they feel soft and smooth, so we'll use these. This one is a larger one and this one is a smaller brush. I didn't even know BOXYCHARM had brushes, but it's very cute. But for $35 for two brushes, I don't know about that. The next thing in my box is this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Press in the color Champagne Pop, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to try this. Oh my god. And Becca's hella expensive. This is retail for $38. Wow. So you all know what Becca packaging looks like. I'm so excited. If I could open it. Oh, here we go. Let me take out the paper. And this is the highlight, guys. Hopefully you could see it. Let me swatch it. Ooh, it feels buttery. Ooh, look at that. I can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use that. The next thing in my box is this Cypress Antioxidant Dew. It's a Quench and Glow Serum, and this retails for $90. Wow. So this is like a lightweight hydrator, so you can apply before, kind of like a moisturizer. And ooh, it's very pretty. I love the packaging. And it comes in a little dropper. And it doesn't really have a scent, but that's good. I could use it as like a moisturizer. Very nice. The next thing I have in here that's, oh my god, it's so crushed, is a palette. And look at this. I don't know if you could tell. Look at it. It's all bent out of shape. That's crazy. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. Oh, look at this. It's cracked. I'm so disappointed that the mirror is cracked and the shadows. But here's what the shadows look like. Very bold colors. As you can see, it's messy because it's been messed up by the packaging. But it's still pretty nice. But this palette retails for $35. So I'm going to be using this palette today. Very beautiful colors. Let me just swatch the bottom row. The pigment is not quite there, but I don't know, they're just swatches, but looks pretty good. But I'm mad that it came all bent up like this and the mirror is cracked. They need to package it a little better. And it is packaged with this like foam stuff, but it's not the greatest. And then the last two things in my box are these two eye masks, one for morning and evening, and this is by Vitamask, I believe. And this is what the packaging looks like, and this retails for $12. So let me calculate the total of this box. So this box retails for $210. So that's good. You're only paying $25 to get a total of $210 worth of stuff. So we're going to try this out and see if it's worth it. So I'll be right back. So first thing, I'll put this headband on to get my hair out of my face. And if you like this hair is from Makeup Doll Hair on YouTube, and I just uploaded a video doing my first impressions and how I put the wig on. So make sure you check that out. And I colored it since then. All I did was lift it with developer, and that's it. But if you want to see any updated videos, just let me know. So first I'm going to use this Cypress Antioxidant Dew just to hydrate my face. And I'm going to just take a couple drops. And it's very lightweight feeling. It feels moisturizing. And I really need hydration because it's getting chilly in New York and I just need a little something. And my mirror is right here just in case you see me looking over here. So that felt good. It feels very hydrating. It's making, and it's a little tacky, so it'll be good right under makeup. So I'm gonna go into October's box and just take this iconic London Prep Set and Glow. This is from the last box, and it's like a mist that makes your skin glowy. Oh, and if you use it on your décolleté area, it looks so good. But the only thing is, like, you need to spray it directly on your face. Like, it'll get on your clothes. So I'm just gonna use a little bit right now. And like, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it really like has a glow in it. It makes your face super glowy. So I already primed my skin. I'm not going to show you every step. I'm only going to show you the stuff that's in the box. I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And I'm in the color D10. I absolutely love this drugstore foundation. I'm going to put 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take the BOXYCHARM brush. I'm going to use the bigger of the two. And I'm just going to apply that on my face. So I'm just gonna pick up product and blend it on my skin. And I love brushes like these to use on myself because it's just very easy to use. You just basically like brush it in like you're painting your face. But I feel like it's not giving too much coverage because this foundation is usually full coverage. I feel like it's soaking most of the product up. So I'm going to take a little bit more. And I'm going to dot it over my face and pat it in to see if that makes it more full coverage. This is not going to give you like a full coverage like a normal brush. But it is soft and it feels very good. Because you can still see my imperfections. But we're going to go on. I'm going to use the Juvias Place concealer. And I'm going to use the other brush. I'm just going to put this quickly underneath my eyes. Just going for an everyday look. Not like too highlighted. I'm going to push them around my mouth. And a little bit over here. This is like my problem area. And then I have a little bit of problem up here. So then I'm going to take the smaller of the brush. And it has like loose hair sticking out of it. So I'm going to have to cut that or something. But I'm going to just pat it in to give fuller coverage. This concealer is already full coverage. So as you can see, it's blending in. The brush is soft. But I feel like you can get other brushes that's less expensive. Like BH Cosmetics is a very affordable brand for beginners. I love BH Cosmetic brushes. Then I'm going to go under my eyes. And the brush is like shedding. So the brushes, I would kind of pass on the brushes. There's so many brushes that are better than these. I'm going to put concealer on my eyelids to prime. And I'm going to use that same concealer brush. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and come right back. So I already did my eyebrows. Let me zoom you in a little bit more. So I'm gonna use the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. And although my mirror is cracked, this is what the palette looks like. I'm actually gonna go into the palette from October's BOXYCHARM, the Dose of Color Sienna palette. And I'm just gonna take this middle shade right here. I absolutely love this middle shade as like a transition. Next, I'm gonna go into the Dominique palette and take the color Lunar Eclipse. And one thing I say about the palette, the names are so small you can't even read them. And the palette is very cheap, obviously, if it was bent. But I'm gonna go in with this orangey brown color, showing up more orange on camera, but it's like a orangey brown. And I'm gonna take this on the same brush. This is a controlled setting brush by Eco Tools, and I'm just gonna swipe that into the crease. And this color is very pigmented. Next, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, one of their sets. This is the number 5 brush. I'll link the set if I can find it in the description. I'm gonna go in with the next darkest color, which is called Storm Dust, which is this rusty brown color. And I'm gonna work this color into my crease as well. Then I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush, and this is the number 6 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Zero Gravity, which is this like grayish color. And I'm gonna see how that works. And then I'm gonna go back in with Storm Dust just to bring back the color on the edges so it could peek through. I'm gonna take the color Fireball, which is this, I don't know if you can tell, it's like this gold color, and I'm gonna apply that onto my lid. And I'm just gonna pack it on. It's coming up more of like a cranberry color. I thought it was more of like a orange color, but it's still very pretty. A smaller fluffy brush just to blend out that color. Then from the inner corner, I'm gonna take this color, which is called Eternal Light, and put it in the inner corner. And this is a very pretty color. If you want to make it more intense, you can put like a setting spray or spray it with water. But I want to see how it looked like without the setting powder. And that's the look. So I'm gonna bronze and put blush on and be right back. So I did my bronzer and blush. I'm gonna do my lashes and liner. I'm gonna kind of speed it up a little bit because this is not part of the November box, but this is the October box. This is the Hank and Henry double-sided mascara. It has one side for the bottom lashes and then the other side for the top lashes. And I think this was like $18 it said it was originally. And then I'm going to use the Smashbox Always On liquid eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeliner. It's super black and it's super like waterproof. Like it will stay on all night. The mascara is like if you just need a mascara, it's good. I love the ones for the bottom lashes more than the top. I feel like my lashes is so non-existent that you really can't even see it. But I'm just going to show you how it works right now. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line with one of these colors. I don't know if I should do the pink or blue. I think I'm gonna do the pink since the lid is kind of pinky. So I'm gonna take that pink color, which is called Lucid Dream, on a BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, and this is just like a angled brush you normally use for like the brows, but I'm gonna use it for underneath my lash line. So my camera just died, so I'm shooting from my iPhone. Hopefully the quality is any good, but I applied my lashes and I didn't do anything else. So I'm going to I'm actually gonna spray my face one more time, and I'm gonna use the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow again, just to like set my face, but I want it to be like a little dewy. So, and I don't know if you could tell, like it just gives like a glow to the face. Like I have no highlight on right now and it's like giving me this glow, but I can't wait to dive into this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector and Champagne Pop. So I'm gonna use my favorite brush, and like I said, this is from like Rite Aid or some shit, and I'm just gonna, ooh, look at how much is in. I'm gonna just dip off the excess and I'm gonna apply it, ooh, to the tops of my cheeks. That is beautiful. It's like not an over the top glow, but still over the top. Like it's not like a chunky glitter, but I'm gonna put some on the tip of my nose, in the middle of my nose, put some above my brows and my forehead, my Cupid's bow, and on my chin. And guys, this is gorgeous. You should get the box just to get this highlighter. It's the bomb diggity. So here's the look. Oh, let me put some lipstick on. I'm gonna use this Makiage lipstick in collaboration with Carli Bybel here on YouTube, and I did a review on this lip collection, so make sure you check it out. I'll link it down below. And this is in the color Cyrus, and I absolutely love this color. This is like my everyday lip color. It basically goes with everything. It's like a nude but has a hint of pink, and it so goes with this eye look. So that's what I got in my November BOXYCHARM. I'm very actually pleased with BOXYCHARM subscription. This is my second month trying it, and now it's $25, and I absolutely love it. From last month to this month, the products are overall worth it. Some of them products are obviously too expensive if you were to buy it in the store, but since it comes in the box, it gives you a better deal. If you like this look and you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you leave a comment telling me what your favorite product on me was, and telling me what your favorite product in the box was. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It's free, so make sure you support your girl. I enjoy doing these videos, and I guess I'll see you in my next video, loves. Bye.